Data analysis of COVID-19 patients suggests that coronavirus hits men harder than women. According to the World Health Organization data, the number of men dying of coronavirus is more than the number of women. What is that difference between a male and a female body or their lifestyles that changes the way their bodies handle the virus? Let's explore this in today's episode. Let's quickly check some figures first. COVID-19 death rate for men in China in mid-February was 2.8% as compared to 1.7% in women. 58% of hospitalized patients in Italy were male, and according to a WJEM report in April, 70% of all COVID-related deaths worldwide were accounted for by men. These numbers show a clear difference between how a male body handles coronavirus versus how a female body does it. There are three reasons behind this. First, biological, second, lifestyle related, and third, evolutionary. Let's look at these in detail now. First, biological. Let's travel back in time to our biology class in 10th grade, where we were taught that a human body has 46 chromosomes, out of which 2 are sex chromosome X and Y. A female body typically has 2 X chromosomes, whereas a male body constitutes X and Y. While the Y chromosome is mostly only responsible for sexual development in men, the X chromosome is involved in functions including metabolism, blood clotting, and brain development. Along with this, there are about 60 immunity controlling genes on the X chromosomes. So a female body having a double dose of X possesses a stronger immune system. 10% of genes in the second X can be activated, and they are all immune response genes. Although COVID-19 specific studies are yet to be done for this, some scholars do believe that the presence of 2 X chromosomes in the female body provides better protection. A female body also has a better immune memory than men, which means that their immune system remembers the pathogens they were once exposed to and protects the body when the same pathogen attacks the next time. Another biological reason for such a difference could be the testes in males acting as a storehouse of coronavirus. This is because the ACE2 receptor, which the SARS coronavirus binds to, is present in abundance in the testes. A 2017 study in the Journal of Immunology also suggests hormonal differences in the male and female bodies as a reason for their defense against coronavirus. Females produce estrogen and progesterone, whereas males produce testosterone. For this study, male and female mice were infected with the SARS virus, and it was found that male mice were more prone to infection than female mice of the same age. Then, when the estrogen-producing ovaries were removed from some female mice, it was observed that they died at higher rates than those with actively working estrogen. This concluded the important role of female sex hormones to fight coronavirus. On the other hand, testosterone in men affects their risk-taking behavior. Thus, its high levels in the body makes men follow risky behavioral patterns like smoking and drinking, and also the reluctance to seek medical help. Second, this risk-taking behavior of men causes lifestyle differences between men and women, which is the second reason behind men being weaker fighters of coronavirus. China has the largest population of smokers in the world, and according to the Chinese Center for Disease Control and Prevention, about 50% of the Chinese smokers are men and less than 3% are women. According to the 2020 data released by the National Health Institute, Italy has 7 million male smokers and just 4.5 million female smokers. Smoking as a lifestyle, besides damaging lungs, also increases the expression of ACE2 receptors in the body. As the infection point for coronavirus is also lungs, so when a regular smoker gets COVID-19, his lungs are weaker, which makes the infection more severe for him. And because the smoking rate in the male population is higher, men are more at risk. Third, evolutionary. From the evolutionary lens, women have a survival advantage over men because they nurture a foreign body inside them for a part of their life. According to research, that is also the reason why women have stronger immune responses against viral infections than men. According to Sabra Klein, a scientist at the Johns Hopkins Bloomberg School of Public Health, these differences are not limited to COVID 19. They are seen in many viral infections of the respiratory tract as well. These are not just limited to humans also, most of the mammals show such changes in their bodies. It's believed that many male mammals have to win competitions for mates to spread their genes. Hence, the hormone controlling risky behavior is an advantage for them. And female mammals, on the other hand, have features that make them able to care for the young, hence their stronger immune system. More sex related health studies need to be done to be able to have a more suitable disease response in the future. Till then, you stay tuned to us. Keep watching Swaraj.